Number 5, Yamaha TTR 110E. Once again, this is a great dirt bike if you're just starting your dirt bike journey because it requires very little maintenance and it is built to last a long time. The dirt bike is the big brother of the Yamaha TTR 50E. This dirt bike, it has great acceleration and it is great for a little bit of shorter people to ride it. And the TTR 110 obviously has a 110cc engine that can reach a top speeds of over 38 miles per hour. This dirt bike is a very affordable $2,500 US brand new. So very affordable and easy to buy. Number 4, Suzuki DR200S. Beginners often adopt the Suzuki. And you might be wondering, why do people like this dirt bike so much? Well, we'll get there. But this dirt bike is a little larger with 199cc 4-stroke air-cooled engine. And the reason why this is such a good dirt bike is because due to its super impressive transmission and fuel economy, make it amazing. Number 3 is the Kawasaki KX100. This is a 2-stroke bike that it has between 85 to 125 cc. And I bet you're thinking, who is this bike made for? The top speed of the bike is 55 to 70 miles per hour. To me, that's pretty crazy for a motocross bike, but I guess they do need to go pretty fast. And the price of the bike is $4,700 US brand new. So not too bad of a price. And the bike is made for younger kids that are a little taller, and you can also gain experience they need. Shorter adults can also ride this dirt bike. Number 2, Honda CRF 125F. The price of this amazing dirt bike is a pretty decent amount of $3,900 US. Therefore, this bike has a 125cc air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. With a tame power, the top speed of the Honda can get up to 45 miles per hour. This is an amazing bike for young riders between the ages of 10 to 16 who are interested in off-roading. Obviously, the ages vary between what size or how tall you are. And finally, number 1, best starting dirt bike is, before number 1, if you found the video super helpful and you want to see more videos about dirt bikes or tractors with super high quality, every Friday, smash that subscribe button. And we are also so close to 1,000 subscribers. Number 1, Yamaha 125 YZ 2-stroke. This is a perfect machine for those starting in the sport. This bike is known for its extremely reliable transmission and engine due to Yamaha's amazing building quality. The YZ arguably is the best standard suspension setup on any motocross bike. The YZ has 33.5 horsepower and can get up to speeds of 60 miles per hour. Now that you know the most amazing dirt bikes, and you are wondering what dirt bikes my friend and I bought for our first dirt bikes, click here.